There is Hunter Supertech combustion optimizer, and it sounds quite scientific, so we'll try and bring it back to English. Maybe introduce yourself to us and tell us what exactly here we are seeing.
My name is Peter Gwantai. Our company is called Hunter Limited. We deal with combustion optimizers. These are gadgets that are installed in the fuel tank. Generally what we do, it's something like this. This is the fuel tank. So we deal with these gadgets that you can see there. Okay. So we install it, the gadgets here, we install it in the fuel tank so that any status movement that happens when the vehicle is moving or any movement, it produces some electromagnets. So these electromagnets, they break down the hydrocarbons that are in the fuel, so that when the fuel goes to the combustion chamber, it burns completely. I think my colleague can tell you.
Can translate it further.
Like he has explained, this for small vehicles. As you can see, this is a pump. Yes. We've already completed the installation. That's what is inside. That's for a big truck. You can see this is petrol and diesel. So it covers on all vehicles, petrol, diesel, and gas. Okay. So the advantage of it is once the hydrocarbons are broken down, when they are inside the fuel tank, when they get to the engine, they burn completely. When that happens, that cuts the emissions by 80 to 100%. And then because that's taking place inside the engine burning chamber, that becomes part of your fuel. So when you break the emissions 80 to 100, you get a gain in your fuel savings of 8 to 13%, because that has been converted into fuel. In addition to that, it cleans up your engine because of the high power that is produced. The hydrocarbons that are stuck inside, we call them the HCs, they are completely washed off through a process called a chimney sweeper effect.
Okay.
So you get a fast.